Hello everyone, I am Rushikesh Narkhede. I started my English sentence practice journey on 17 November 2025 and till it is continuing. Today I want to share my experience from this 195 days journey. First I would like to answer some questions. First is, why did I start this journey? I started this journey because of many years my dream to speak in English. But I was not able to speak English properly. And also I could not understand it well. Even writing was difficult for me. Who guided me to start this activity? One day while cleaning my room, my roommate found one English book. My roommate name is Ajay. I am very thankful to Ajay for suggesting this idea and motivating me to start this journey. Now I will share my actual journey after starting this activity. At that time I also joined weekend programming batch called Linux System Programming. Later in December I joined another batch for data science. Both batches were in the same institute. The first batch timing was 8:30 am to 12:30 pm and second batch timing was 5 pm to 9 pm. The distance for my room to institute approximately 22 kilometers. Saturday and Sunday very challenging for me because I had to attend classes and also record daily English sentence practice video after class. I would like to also thanks for my all roommates for supporting me during this journey. Whenever I recorded my video, they stay silent for 5 to 10 minutes and also stop watching movies or other entertainment so that I will record video properly without disturbance. I would very thankful for their supports and understanding. Sometime my health was not good because of fever and throat problems, but till I continue my practice regularly. Sometime I attend my friends' marriages, but even then I try to maintain consistency in my practice. On 1st May 2026 to attend my classmate marriage. Until then I continuously recorded video daily. But on 3 May 26 due to health issue and travel from my village to Pune, I was not able to create a video. After returning Pune, I again continue creating video daily without an gap. This is my journey in short. It is not possible to explain the all journey in details in a single video. Thank you.